from various hospitals, we acknowledge that the work of healing is ultimately your work. We ask that you grant our bones, administrators, and medical directors and parallel wisdom as we make decisions that impact staff and patients among our people. Please, Lord, pour your grace and energy on our doctors, our nurses, and all the other supportive staff who takes care of our lives. Bless the work of our hands and guide our steps so that our hospitals may remain a place of true compassion for your people, that when they come, they go home happy. Bless this gathering, Jehovah, even as we get more sensitization about the responsibilities, about the work, and about our vision of this department. Bless us, Lord, even as we start, for this is our prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit we pray. Amen. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Tupigie mchungaji makofi. Bishop, tuketi tupate viti tafadhali. Asanteni sana. Your Excellency, with your permission, you allow me to invite County Director Health, Daktari Mutura. Pigieni Mutura makofi. Daktari Mutura, I think you can address from here, sir.
Thank you, Your Excellency, our Governor and the Deputy Governor. Nataka kufanya kidogo tu as more introduction so that you can know wale tuko nao hapa siku ya leo. Leo we have all the board members were all the sub-county hospitals, the 17 of them. Alafu tuko na all the chairpersons were all the other 203 dispensaries and health centers. Kwa hivyo nataka tuonyeshe wale wako hapa, and I want to start with the regions. Tunaget in regions, Your Excellency, and from this side we have Bore region. So Bore East and West, tusimame tuwave tafadhali, tupigwe makofi. Bore East and West. Those are the board members from Bore East and West, all the facilities. Kuna Imenti region, Imenti North, Imenti yote, tusimame ili ngabana waone, tuwapigie makofi. Naona wamekuja vizuri. We have the Igembe region. Na tusimame pia sisi tuonekane tafadhali. Tuwapigie makofi. So Your Excellency, those are the board members in Tigania region. Umeanza kuniangalia. Tigania region tusimame pole. Na pia nyinyi mpigwe makofi. Asanteni sana. Asante sana. Waziri baba alikuwa kona kala kwa ndio ya kule kwa kwa ndio baba arende. Thank you so much. So Your Excellency, we have 4 members here, all the chairpersons of the dispensaries and health centers, na pia all the board members. And after this, najua Your Excellency, you are going somewhere else. Kwa hivyo tutakuruhusu tuongeleshe, alafu mtaturuhusu Excellency atufungulie mkutano, tundu formal inauguration of the bones. Alafu tumewapangia session. Tumeita a consultant from KSG, Bwana Wahome, atakuja waongeleshe on their roles and responsibilities after mmeondoka. We'll have some time here. We are preparing lunch for them, so hakuna haraka. Tutakula chakula na tutakaa hapa mkusikue na haraka kabisa. Si sawa sawa? So mtakubali Excellency akiongea, tubaki na nini kidogo ili tuweze kuongea. So kwa hayo mengi na machache, wewe kwa njeye tapona nekala. Ukisikia kitu unapitia ile barabara, unaenda kwa ile kona, alafu utasaidika. When we reach wakati wa kula na hiyo kitu kingine tutawaelezea, na vile pia mtaenda nyumbani tutawaelezea. So kwa sababu tuko na haraka na masaa imeenda, I want to invite our COS, Bwana Mutweri, to come and do the other program. Thank you.
Thank you, Director. Let's clap for him. Your Excellency, the Governor of Meru, Reverend Isaac Mutuma Ntwethingia. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Meru, Honorable Linda Kiome, Ministers Baratu Inabo, Faculty Government of Meru, CEOs, Directors, atomoriba machivitari yetu na Meru County. Mweni. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Tusalimiane kwa hewa. Mna furaha? Si tuko na gavana wetu sasa. Si unaona serikali iko imara. Si tumekuwa namba 2 katika nchi katika kutumia bajeti ya maendeleo. Pigeni gavana wetu makofi. Meru inasonga mbele. Meru inabamba.
katika nchi. Meru inabobea, and your excellency we thank you because it's under your leadership. Wazungu wanasema everything rises and falls on leadership, and we are happy again to be with you. Bure arungamiri bachibitari chetu kana Nairobi facility chionde cha county na buthuri ni his excellency the governor. Babu bure anto special imbati kwa mbira nobwira congratulations nontu kabuthuri kumakibara baingi Meru county ina anto 2.3 million lakini babu akibone bumete konekana ye babu ringeringiriruwi. You are a very special buri no tongoria na buri no keki buboya na buri antubaraba onekana buri na integrity ikoromerento yo mwingi kenda mwingi wa Meru mbakugunika muno muno ki sector ira very important ya afya. Kuuni nitwa muturi ya bwana ni chief of staff the Nevirikare county government of Meru ile tongoroto ni gavana wetu Reverend Isaac Mutuma Ntwithingia. Kundi enda kuwa Nigeria kui muno ndienda wita antubaka ibaraba tukethia ni minister omwe akinge eto watu no public service na ontoka mwita nuraru muyaru kenda bomu menya tu na minister omwe yaro o public service muntu obindi muno nchambe kuliaria ya kumatigania west aitawa Ntoni Bietirikia na very soon together tumita honorable Dr. Ntoni Bietirikia PhD. Karibu sana waziri ukethani Nigeria kui kenda band over key minister of health.
Iboya sana COS, your excellency, all dignitaries, woni tije mato protocol sana muweni buinde. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Na wori berade muntu haraka kambere buruncho kerenga ikado no tubotu akanyaka wori bichimantu yonde burungu kinyawe to wasiri mwadani no tumantu yonde mutomere wete vanity sote kumea burungu. Niko chokerenga ikado no tumpa kanyaka kwedandria ni excellency abete on heu kweda the newest CEC wali wa affairs public service and administration nango na kubura antu wili natonya kintu kuleka dia ndo ntonyangire bere excellence atre antu wiche guje na kinyire ude yangana haraka ngona nafasi witira maudhu ya ndo na tuba dungumba kuriaria arume very handsome ba antu smartly dressed ekuruba kuriaria ndaile lando ya timu ile hakweli yeye ti hakweli timu ile kuriaria ya otoma Meru echencha manto ya health eti maguria de koni nyanto dodoma abwa chore ba kwa la kilelengeli akina mwenda na timu excellence yango dokura timu ya professionals timu ya healers timu ya antu bakuringa kura Facebook timu ya antu bakuilela no wengwa o style Meru wende mtu ina experience ondo ndiye tendare kansela indare MCA ndite ngonya na bange be lanchara na uba tenda yani ndare kore mo ndane ke MCA nda mweta odi nekwa atu batu iba kwa toketa deta maikiwe wacha take the program yani antu batinda kinye heshima ndio bura rene yita ya kwathwa ni antu bakomea Mulungu na muntu rene heshima antu betu toeni ngabana tumusapoti imokeri Mulungu Reverend imposed the Reverend irreverend ordained wakanise Methodist na gidani to enter function in the Methodist keti antu to Mulungu ekira kola aka execute that Mulungu ndio uri antu betu babo ngenda bailele na akiriba Mulungu bwenda kudera organization chenu kila antu bakozeta antu bakuwa antu bakurumana na muntu otote ya muntu ngediria winderwa bora peita kuelewa mbodi nyingi iti appointed to itara his excellency ngabana mutuma kulimwe ali kumbere no kumenya yato kumre first assembly munene ora ukumre go awa tumundo endege bala ba appointed to itara kredo tumundo to kredo to ni machita yabu kana geda bari itara county council tumundo to county council ko gida bange ba ndike ba ESP economic stimulus program national government awe to county council katu genga to andike toge ito kwenda tuwene heshima professionals na antuba okira na antuba okiria county mantu health sector is excellence Mulungu na mutendete no to na mentete na tukia kugia kuingana na matiogi mabo mwiri my friend yako muntu imbi ko ibyo wibo bienda muro waitwe utira waitwe kinyone ne bo utira waitwe so babu tukaliende excellence na ikuona bule antuba mana na bwamukalia ndenda bombone tu ngoro chenu ntobulingira mumani ototera atuke ni jale huru lakini ndendo buria ibo kona mutuma na ostaili kutiko ba 2027 ige na toa diga wasele tesiato na pere mboni na jara jeno ye iko na bo ne sese so wati ni antuba ko ile na babo tena antuba ina intobio itunga azomi antuba tuna inkole ya mara friend antuba ukira mulungu ako ndogura insects be assured antuba ba Facebook ba baba kwa ndandika tu social media na kila kitu nduka kule ni research njenu ni research ora imagine wewe uone bokora yo fikira nya research ke research njenu ya control of budget bomeona ke news cha citizen erua His Excellency no number 2 na magia kwa so better na development ndene Kenya eutesifa gemero tesifa gemero endede ruwa engwenda kwalia kanini tutena nurses na tutena madaktari ndienda kuna nurses. Let this be heard. As much as you agitate for the rights, for your rights, or for the rights of those who you represent, let the element of humanity not depart from you. Kinya mukiwe ibu kwenda migomo na ibu kwenda mbi Biblia ilo kiao na ama kiabu erukira kinyo vya kurukira mtu hiki ni ruwe akwa kendo ngelo mchara hiyo pesa itakupeleka wapi? Let the element of humanity not defend from you. Boy da bura kiri mulungu kinyabu kiadeo ne sexuality promote bata promote ochi kango dire yao ngodi yao ndirwa mulungu ndiri hapo karibu sana. Karibuni sana na bo support His Excellency. Thank you. Taragira imaraga mno lakini kanda iko tatu huyu ndio waambali yetu. Thank you.
Thank you Waziri Roy, please. Thank you so much Waziri Njoroge Tirikia, waziri wetu wa Public Service Administration and Legal. Your Excellency, katika kikao hiki tuko na mwenyekiti wa afya katika assembly yetu ya Meru ambaye anawakilisha mbunge zima, anawakilisha pia waheshimiwa wengine na pia amekuja hapa in his capacity as the chair for health. Mheshimiwa Muchoi, tafadhali ukuje tusalimie. Noko na health yome bintu umuraya na noko na nibita bobo ya mpiyeni makofi.
Thank you. Your Excellency the Governor Reverend Mutumanto Idinkia, Her Excellency the Deputy Governor Linda Kiome, mawaziri, all protocols observed. Now our guest, Bwana Yesu asifiwe. God is good and all the time. Thank you. Bidwa Mushiyo Damiano, MCA Goji East na chairman wa committee ya health assembly ya Meru. Na nalo likango ile tu muno kwa sababu Your Excellency ndo baba atulirwe batadidwe induction. Mwankaba mwele ni tolaliga wa bakarutango yata lakini mbije from today baru tanwa sibitari je do igokira teo kweli murume na hata bote goiletwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Kabwe na mpeo kabwe na mpara ni kama me nchokelie ngaba na wetu nkadojia mwanya na oni ngokalande chairman wa health for the last 3 years. Mwaka wa mbele ndali ba chairman ndali ndia mheshimiwa angu ulidwa Motea ndagira azimotea kumaunda atwekwa chairman na mwele for the first time sibitali yetu jena nawa na tena nawa ndenda bwetekeria kwena ndawa na kwego tena jubuga yo tena nebo kuona sibitali yetu improved jena ndawa oni ndali yo wonto takieni kianaye Your Excellency na mbua chairman ya na sibitali yako jiego ne kuona kwena ndawa ndale kanyakine ile tongere twene ne kinoti GK ndela kwena ndawa ne ndale meandene delande ne ndale kinya nyambene. Asante sana naendeleo huu esho ni afuragire ndawa ingija na 8 million mulinga lingere nikalo 63 million ndawa ya 63 imbi ko ndawa ila na juji yete kuja sibitari na jeto leo baabu enda tutedia ngabana na kintu hiki ude mtu eta mbuchale ade injo kendale wanya mateo kweli tengo gera mtu akoluta igatoma 2027 tomo support na mtu ni ako bitanguge na especially imbije na passion kinya lele atwekile mtu wela areja hapo mando jara alile munone ja health kuhakikisha hospitali yetu je na ndawa kuhakikisha ndaitali bakuandikwa nande I'm proud utangaza tayari waziri tutandikiro mandaitali nitandikiro ndaitali na nurses lab technologists clinic officers moma bodilinga lingere ngabana kali na mando jo twageretie kagita kala kange twale na the former governor toko advertise tutwekerwa ya shoka ya kanso but mimi leo nimefurahi unto ngabana wetu ni alete kile tuandikirwa na ngabana still tu na shortage umenye Herod Center ni na shortage muno unto kino lianto baba kwena dispensary mbuga ina nasi umwaki ni omala ate oma nasi ugu menye akeja kuajua kanaga tuwe kaa kuona dhina ya kijale mtu neta shukuru ni kaje mwana shukuru natika tukulomba majua kanale mwene eta kinya believe teo kweli sibitari ile heko ingwa your excellency leo ne nkolombo ora tulandikire neto tige kuambelia utaka saingire nge tuongere nurses kena sibitari yetu at least kiomba kuona ero de no antibaile banato tuwe na maternity your excellency ilugorira kini iteko lutango giye na kinya itanda lison ni utuga tena nurses bakugana tane ngoma ya kwako ndina maternity idatu iteko omba function yonto tena nurses kwanza ninya nengolomba buruburu ourato orajiwe nkoro egu na tuwa teje tole assembly mbanje tireke ya this time through waziri nije kae tuandike nurses bangi na erode wakasi bangi sibitari yetu jokire umenye kinyoke neta babare mbera inde wajetwe royo goma wetera babare yendu jabata munone mbi ni afya ni ugima bwa mwili ondo in fact basic needs yuga ilio ugima bwa mwili na shelter tutera yeje ujangi jajale number 2 nine ngolomba tu support ni ngabana nyago mtangu imbega na mbuge ni ngabana niko nyuma yako utuko na mubenya ne woto metembukira kumalira watonyire so tutakwa support fule na tegera antu baba na nimbi antu bali bobo bageta hotel ya Ngiraudi Mr. Bwana antu baba ukiona mtu chairman ni mtu ina influence kwa antu bobo bategena lido lingi kinyama kiana na abo bana bagweretwe kenda beta bakiala jamantu jao pesa sawa wewe kuweretwe kenda bomba support ngabana na ala mashirani na jeu jamaa kai kambu ya asanteni sana. Thank you very much. Nina apology ya mheshimiwa waja ndani ya mkolonia kena tuishi ende au hatunjoendeta. Asante na bwasho kabushoke bwera. Mungu awabariki. Oni mumete saudiment ningo na ndobaiment balea mumete saudiment na hale. Mungu awabariki. Thank you very much. Asante.
Igeni mheshimiwa mwenyekiti wa afya, makofi jameni. Makofi ya tena ya mheshimiwa. Tena piga tena. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Intukwenene kiathoki kinyeki kiani kia mambura. Kiani kiki budiro mambura ya miurano na manto ya mea ya wita. Munene wa afya no timu yeni timu selected high powered team. Ni antuko menye ngona ma apostle, ngona ma bishop, ma pastor, ni ngona antu atongori abene shima muno batabaka mbalimbali barombe to select baromera erodi facilities yetu. And Your Excellency ngona timu yetu ya kundeliver. Boye lege toka ke timu yende bore no to his excellency na imani na baabwi na nao kwa opportunity yo mwati nguye yo trivia Meru kimaendeleo na kiafya wa mwati nguye loi wa mwati ya kwa unge babu we mashinani ni we mambalozi ba ngabana kweta na mbele kwa mambalozi ya ngabana wa mokalia tuwe ni tutam wa mtumanto edingia tutam. Thank you very much. But we can we are in a period to shundia maendeleo ya witakuwa ya mwana ya manene ngabana ai muntu na madhani ya manene kurekana ntuko emwe ngoko ireta muithone irethile kala ya no mubira your excellence yale ya nyuma yote dilai kana yetu ta ostrich ye kwendira ikala reu iraneria ari muno irawa we kurikala naye ne kala no tuyo ite kala kayo ibusi kala kango kana kawita katumbi kango te no kani nende no bwa manto yato kuide dai no mane kala dilai eoro twakalinde na ntwa carefree kenda boka center na kunto mitungu na ngabana banengera taitu ringuringerigirwi university wako Meru kaeto wako university wako kweli kana university kwena yara yange Meru atu wetu offline na kai baki ya Meru baka land Meru investors na tongori mwanya Meru level 5 dai itete kuma level 6 na bila takeyo no to level 6 kana Meru national government biite Kanyakine biite Buri biite Maua na Miatheni muringeringiri wingi na ibo tukugwira batu ya kinuru kwa tindiko neri mau batu mtoto mukalie ne loyi tutanabera kona we abo tisazo loyi na kinyadere no tukwa kwa no kiri tutoka hatu ingani that it na very there is no drama, it is development mwanka kinya control of budget mtu yuto control of budget ya ngenti muno no approve every shilling bere yeta anywhere uno rawire number 1 dene Kenya arito sang number 2 imutumantu edinge number 2 dene Kenya ki mangabara 47 ngo no mchezo kwa tubetu ibo tutukwa tutamtu tukwa twikira na tuwabutu tena aibu na tukemea obutu tamwe ni kubya ngabana wetu tumwe kanya kangi etena mbere ututungata no tutongoreki mantu ameyo tuyo tukuona na finally ngikala ndende no bwiro rakwira wa ngoko ichera kale ka wambu mmeka kangerete karingetuma na nikala rimo itinyiro imo inyimwana lakini ngombe ile kama elia mitungi ile likanywa itura yonde nube chweke alia ene gabane tutukari kiriti miyebere atema ntwa mangewe na atekomba wikaza kwa mutomba itaka na kianda butike moda kuya kelele ko yo akuti line na kila mahali kala ko yo ako iteko eleweka lakini toyo aileta manto na akira akabodi abo mwakari mtu ibatu tukuja na tinyetu tukirira manto toyo nawe jamaa tutikira yo excellence to kulingarukemi tuwe manto ya kweya every day tuishundia validation to ashundia industrial park ile mbele kuyura ndene Kenya na kinya president na kuyira kwa obode mtungio o maana yo toyo kakwa tayara makai no tukanya katumbitikiria na inindi na mutaratara ni kumya kukia tokinge to terimi tuntu ovawe kuyo ya makai atubetu winka aburomba bukali ngabana machinani tisa so loi tuatelinga bano wetu mwadhani atuete na kenda tutanambere kuona we abura tukuona kuira wika thua tongoria itikihila nyakira to kinyela no tutu na mutongoria tekufua na yo ya makai wateni mpe tukaribisha waziri wa afya no mukiki onarua Dr. Dennis mukiki obata uroromerete hafi ndele Meru County 1 2 3 primwe asante.
Thank you COS Abwana, Your Excellency the Governor of Meru Reverend Isaac Mutuma Twethingia, Her Excellency the Deputy Governor Wakili Linda Kiome, Chair Health Committee, ladies and gentlemen na committee Chair mashibitari ya member bonde. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Mugeni kairi. Asante onbeto wa Dennis Mugambi bidharo ndi waziri wa ugima wa mwili ke thirikari ya Governor Mutuma Twethingia. Governor kwenda first and foremost kugucokeria nkatho ni untubwa kuthura timu iji kenda yomba tumba kwithwa tugishirikiana nabo kwithwa tugiokeria mashibitari jetu na inyabongo bombi kwithwa bagututetheria kigukiria vision kana kioneki kiria twina kio ki ugima wa mio gwete tumanto jamakai batu twategerere tuona kagita kara committees chiathura kitambo chiathura alafu uketa shibitari ugeta gwe kwiringira kethaka wikwengwa kwithwo ukimenya management uraita. But we thought ibwega tukabwita kenda number 1 tumbikwithwo itukubweresa uria vision yetu iria twinio especially ki ugimba wa mwiri, and secondly bwereswa mantu ja makai jara jakonie mantu ja management. Tutingi kumba kubwita bwinthe twetete number 1 Meru County twina cibitari iria iruguri 217 inkurukiu tukethwa tukirugura ingi, but then tugage cibitari iria tugwita 17 high volume level 4 na level 5 twete board members bonthe, alafu gicibitari wingi chionde cha health centers na dispensaries na community units twethe tugwita chairman nawe all trino narua na mantu jario kethwo kiona narua itogo expect ochoka gicibitari eku umbi kuthona kumba kuriria muchemanio jwaku wete a board members bobange wetho kiumba kuberesa turingi kwenda kubwita bwinthe lakini ni ntubwa kwithirwa aturugire itwambe tubange na mubango junde jutha jukiambiria somewhere twithwo ne tukwambiria over time then mwaka jujo tukethirwa tukibwita team chionde kwenda tu kubu notify mantu ja makai mbere nkarambe guru batu tukwija ituonere Meru County tuandika gintu gitawa a strategic plan kana vision, na Biblia nitwira antu baura ni antu bakwitho batina kioneki, na governor natutethetie muno, is a very listening governor, na governor nguchokere nkatho because mantu jamwe kwe mantu jato titina kuga owe igwa bwana akiuga remoto tuyomba go shout muno, but kwe na mantu jama kai jara mbuga tutingi kumba as a county government, especially vision ya gukiria level 5 ya level 6 vision that is a bit expensive, will cost over $1 billion shillings, na hii governor nombre go trombera beche na tayari kebara bete level 5 iba kuona cibitari ni gwakwara kenda yombi kuthwa ni gukiria capacity itanda ni gukiria capacity management cancer ituretete mantu ja cardiac na arwejo keja kugwatwo heart attack Meru, God forbid tugeria uratumbara kini jonto tuna cardiac center mantu no jatumire, but governor na mubango tayari itujete kwambiria kinya cardiac center. Meru General yaambirirwa 1929 kuma 1929 mwaka 2025 itanda bya admission 360 beds. Governor kweja na arombere kuromba mbeja cha bilioni 1 na thaiji to increase itanda byu byetho bikinya 840 beds. Ibije ibuigetwe anto bagitutaba kiuga kwena congestion Meru General yoma kabisa jonto Meru keja kumitegera 1929 mbuga iba jojo jetu na baki jojo bareo 1929 population ya Meru mbuga eri getagaira mbuga governor ongiri magana jatatu, but right now to 2.3 million kwa ugo tena muntu othugania ane ate antu babari bomba kwithirwa health services chao they are taken care of kwa governor na arombere go increase itanabiu, and I'm 100% sure tukabwita very soon twerugora cibitari iria na buketho nyabunga buki witness ati nandi o muntu ageta cibitari akombe kwithwa na kumama gitandene kiawe na akombe kwithwa na gushughulikirwa kintu kingi tukuthithia ntuto cha cancer ngome ya governor akabweresa jau na arathirire gwaka tayari na athirite gwaka ward ya cancer na additional itanda 20 twethire itanda binana ake itanda binana byomba gwikira gintu kira tutawa chemotherapy muthenya ake na ndi ili thaiji tutago transform kwethirwe aje barikirwa ndawa cia chemotherapy muthenya na utuko 24/7 kwa kwethirwe at least gutina mwajo kumara o Meru weta gwikirwa chemotherapy ninge ni bene ndo mantu jau okeja kwethwa wena mwajo kansa nja no menya gwita gwikirwa ndawa yu ukimwika ya mwanga Nairobi gwikirwa ndawa, it is very costly. Itwejire governor auga tutho twina vision kwithirwa itugukiria cibitari inya regionally kenda cibitari inya na chechiro chuko yukia nafasi eu level 5 na narueje mheshimiwa governor no kuona department ne bari njeta bwa muno. You know you may not understand niki antu batigani bakwero bakare area begembe baimenti na baburi ijo ntu kwina cibitari mwe tigania egukirwe gwitwa meathene ya level 5 edo nego shughulika antu batigania kwina cibitari ekwetherwa igiukirwa nyambene igwetwa nyambene level 4 ya level 5 edo nego shughulika antu begembe kwina cibitari imwe imenti additional kwina level 6 ego shughulika region yonde and still cibitari ya Kanyakine ne ukirwa yomba kwa level 5 na Kinyaburi kwina cibitari nayo egwetwa cibitari ya Timau ekwethwa egeshughulirwa kenda yomba kwa level 5 echughulikira nayo antu baburi ikyo kuona arrangement ekaliyo itudiretie mheshimiwa governor kwethwa tukithithia strategic plan cha cibitari 17 cibitari ya level 5 cibitari inya chikojokia position nande level 5 na cibitari 12 cha sub counties mero tuna sub county 12 kenda tumba gukirio cibitari imwe pa sub county mero na yombe kuthwa ni kwa cibitari standard level 4 kwa wantu betu ni autumbe dikuthwa tugikinya. The vision is very big babu buto support na tutumbe kwithirwa itukumba gukinyaniria kioniki giki utongeria twirawa atirija wanyama kana otfongi kana otune jabo bwakwa but mutongeria alija maendeleo jara kuleta, and I can assure you the governor understands the vision. Mwankari mwe nkarana governor mutuma ambeleza mantu ngachiuria ningi atakurukirite medical school kidogo amba kuthikira ntito ya cibitari, but then I realized over time kithuganaia kagita karia ari deputy governor mbere a governor na ari acting CCO health na twakara tukiaria ntito cha health continuously, so governor internalize it mantu ja health ndene muno ombe kuthana kuja understand deeply even better than ourselves. Deko ya thirikari ne governor kundura oni ndachuria muntu weta wa thirikari no jontu yande kwejaja ndakara cabinet ine nkaigua cabinet members bomba kiuga thirikari ekathithia na nandi nkari thirikari ne koria muntu weta thirikari no thirikari it is me and you batu twebanga kumandeje alafu nawe we committee member awuri we chairman awuri withwo ogwa mantu jara tugukwira kumandeje na mibango ere kwitho ikithithwo kumandeje nago no gukamilisha mibango au so kagita karia ogwa gukara keyboard ya cibitari no kethirwo kibanga ntito cha cibitari. There is no other government other than yourself. Kwa winkwenda only in the first place withwo ibuko own project iji you are owning it either nego utonya ndene ku ati yogo kwendia vision ya thirikari yogo kwethwa ukienda ya kioni kikukia thirikari and you are part and parcel thirikari you. Kwa there is no other government other than yourselves and ourselves. Ibuko ngwata so that yotigete kuga thirikari tathithia it is you. We are here to support each other kenda batu tumbi kwethwa ito accomplish vision yeje. But mheshimiwa uko badurinde I went through the list and I called a number of them inde enda kuthidia ira tuita sampling kenda mbigwa caliber ya antu bara baduri macibitari jetu ethe antu bagatutethia. I've called a number of you dagutumira SMSs twaria, and I can assure you mheshimiwa governor you have gotten the very best from among our communities kwithwa bagitongeria mbwiga ntukau kidogo karatige tukanini ga kwereswa nteto ira kidogo bati kuthithia, and after today the vision will be carried even higher than what we are doing today. Kwaona jauja makai tekwa na gobera nteto cha siasa muniko me gavana kali cha siasa, lakini bwenda to accomplish mantu jatu kuthithia abo gatuatira na botulikie rimwe nteto cha siasa. It is very difficult we mtu simple minded kumenya mantu rea kuga jontu othikira muntu wonde uri guchwa kura chia governor kwira jaja ukaigwa na kwaria, othikira onge ukaigwa na kwaria, othikira onge ukaigwa na kwaria. But gechongo kagitakara twathoma giatwira actions speak louder than words. Iko maanisha kwaria utotiaria ende kuthithia neo anto bagitatia tisa sawa au kuthithia au kwa action. That is where it separates us. Otherwise inteto chiarwaria ote mtote na kanyo ote mtote aria uma kiranka aboromberi kirundu mwathani abutethie kenda bomba kuthuja mantu bomba ikwethe bugutega action yari uba kwaria mono akuthithia ri ababa kagita kara bakunenkerwa nafasi ri imbio bathithirie po au jura nenkerwa mwaka jumwe ri imbia thithia no kuigwa kobwereza nteto chia itanda 360 kuma 1929. You can imagine all the way gutena mtu karathugania congestion ya chibitari ni atatukathithia. But the governor has done that. We may not remember kwa mantuja mengi sana, but things are there that we are doing, and I hope even by God's grace governor mwathani akuretain you so that inyao ni kwenda kuona chibitari chetu ikurite kuma 2021 utaandikanwa ikyo kuona chibitari dispensary china na asiumwe na asieta leave ukethera chibitari ni ingirwe. But the governor has employed na aruingwetika the Department of Health is doing the distribution ya ntobau na mheshimiwa mkuga ni bwega because you also easing my burden kwetherwa at least aritibara bangu gina area mwaje mbuga areta kaandikirwa tukuthiru ithimi tha ithimi bibi ketho bithawa na mantu jangi na jauja makai anchoke nkatho na nchoke the program get sawa. Derwa I have the honor kukaribisha mheshimiwa deputy governor ituike njara chietu amwe tukaribishe mheshimiwa 1 2 3. Karibu mheshimiwa, karibu asante.
Thank you. Ikwega sana Your Excellency Governor wetu wa Meru County Reverend Isaac Mutumanto Ethingia, waziri wetu barabara legal na health, mheshimiwa wetu Rauri Mutongeria wa Mantuja Health ndene ya Meru County Assembly, amwena atongeria bonde barabara na atongeria barabara ndene committees chesibitari chetu, chairman, chair ladies, committee members, mwathani arokumwo amagita jonde bugwerete rokererwa narwa okiti kere each and every one of you nonto bakuthurwa ndene ya committees iria bore buke representa sibitari na bugetetha area governor wetu kurungamira sibitari chetu cha Meru County. Ingwetikia ngugiria governor abonenkerete ikenda bomba kumutetheria kurungamira sibitari weti bwa mbere bubwega po sibitari yetu kunenkanira strategic direction na policy making ndene ya sibitari chetu. Ngwetikia chao hizo mathomo jarapo kethora bwena jonarwa kukurukira kiri mwarimu ura wetete kuma Kenya School of Government. Na I wish you all the best. Ndengenda kikuburomba atiri antu betu ugima bomwere nige ntukira kina maana muno ndene ya thirikari yetu kukurukira ke vision ya governor wetu Reverend Isaac na ndenge buromba nontu batwe turi atongeria ndene county tutumba ikuthiurunga kila mahali tuteta kuthithia inspection ya sibitari chetu. Eu niongo geria gavana wetu ombete ikubunenkera bombe ko murungamira sibitari bombe gwetiria sibitari chetu na mbere bombe igwekera vision ndene sibitari chetu bombe ko bangira sibitari chetu rigakura already vision ya gavana ibukumerewa bukuigwa kumake waziri wetu wa health kitomikiria gavana arombere president amutetheria gukiria sibitari level 6 ikenda komba kwethirwa ena level 5 inya ndene Meru County andu akwethira ena level 5 imwe aki ukwere wao ere maanisha ndene tigania anto beto batigania bateza mutindwa bezete kwewa services cia level 5 bakethra bagichiona iratigania au ugo save a life and you have cut costs. Similarly Igembe, similarly Bore na Imenti. What does that mean? It means kinya sibitari ile ingire bwagaiti ya level 5, level 4 health centers na dispensaries na chombe kubangirwa bwega ikenda chekirwa equipment chakongana lab chedra chena o kesibitari chionde maternity services area antobeto bagakingirwa ni services burekiri kuigwa governor wetu na release ndawa cha 63 million tiete kesibitari chetu babo bore atongeria pasibitari u ibo kumenya kedra ndawa ichi akinyire botamenya na ndende nge boromba atere no ntongoge enu ni kurungamira na ku ensure that sibitari chetu ishikurani bwega. Number 1 complaint ya Ntobeto bauga ndawa ikinya sibitari ikageta atea ikendwa na ikageta atea ikaora tutuga ikwendwa ikaora teu weta sibitari ore mwajie kagore sindio nande governor ngogere aboete ni ate kwenda kuigwa antu bamero bakirwa ndawa kagete atea eu nyo kumenya is the biggest problem in our health centers na inkomenya babwe kukurukira experience irabwe nayo kukurukira ke profession chenu kukurukira ke leadership irabwe thereta bwe nayo in your lifetime agomba ikuremwa kubangira governor mantuja kagore womba ikuremwa bukaremwa. Only I wish you the very best. Na ingwetekia we have the faith in you that bugato tetheria to make sure antubetu bakuona ndawa na bakuona the right services. So nonto kumenya governor wetu ena a very tight schedule narwa betikeria nindire yao lakini mbwere we have a lot of faith in you and the governor has a lot of faith in the work that you are going to do for our people. Jajon the twelidi kenda Ntobeto Pedro abagikara bwega sana na mwathani abotharime bitekeria ni nande tuzukie kanya gaka burombe na giteo gikinene burungame ikenda tomba gukaribisha governor wetu His Excellency Reverend Isaac Mutuma Toedingia tumuringere ni mpeta hadari.
Asante. Thank you DG. Asante Togarianindi. My able Deputy Governor, waheshimiwa waliopo katika kikao hiki, mawaziri wangu, board members from our different health institutions, and all of us, good afternoon. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. We came first to congratulate you and see the team that has secured this rare opportunity to manage our wealth, because one scholar by the name Vigil said that health is wealth. So nebwebwe na ngogeya kumenyera utonga bwa Meru orenge nderwa congratulations. Out of 2.3 God gave you this opportunity. Nikenda omenyera afya ya Meru, nikenda wethera wekere decision making table, nikenda we influence direction in which we are taking as a county in matters health. We did a lot of background check a lot of screening. Nikenda to come up na list ya professionals, people with experience from other spaces of influence, people with passion and love for humanity, people who love the people of Meru. Na kiri the numbers that we've mentioned, tore antoba Meru, twethira uwe, kiri the board members that are in that institution, Anto Mwanja, you are among them. It is Jesus who said that to whom much is given, much is expected. Mbirira ure akwe nawe, we expect so much. Now whether you are also expecting so much from the governor, but niwe kangavana kanini, either kangavana kanake ngavana kile sibitare u. Ito kwa watanira? No, whether we expect so much from the governor, but you are the ambassador, you are the carrier wa health ya Meru. You are the vision carrier nina afya ya ntobaube ya sibitare u yetete. Ni womwe wako decide kethera kana kauka gutiarerwa in that maternity kagasabai amwana mama uo kuewa kana in that maternity kana mbozi kana na ina pakezi atia. You can imagine why mandate yako decide kethera otoro bwa muntu bongelo ntuko kana bothire. We are almost co-workers or co-creators with God. Kana tuwa totira mwadhani ya mwegethera muntu ete kana aregi nyanto tuina responsibility ya kuamua kethera anto batore kana bethi atea. Teyo oma, tebu oma, nebu oma. One scholar away to other, our health is not everything. But without health, everything is nothing. Nande batwe ya katuwete everything about this life ya Ntobau be in that locality. Health is not everything. We agree. But without health, everything else is nothing. Not what would you do with a good road? Oteko omba wete ra kon drive kana ko walk on that road. Ye na maana. What would you do with a very nice meal that has been prepared by your family? Okay, there oteko omba woke ra wikundia glass ye roji. Kwe woke droge bwetha che Nairobi ubithongi muno gwaku. What is the value of a wonderful, comfortable, beautiful house? Okay, there are afieku etio wetekeria we enjoy the beauty, the comfort of that home. Ndienda kubwira bwina critical responsibility. Enute just another board. Enu ni almost a calling. I hope you understand what I mean. Almost a calling. Torea minister to tukumakiri ministry non to ingwewaga ukuma non to nuiti. You understand? To tukumate non to kawa endo. I know nurses kinyayo yedhere ya calling according to the Oviera Barilla profession ingente kumenya. Ende kinyasho siedra siena aspect ya calling nikenda whether we committed to that work. Na ande babwe na the team of health that you'll be working with in those health institutions. Nebwe wa muzipa man tora yageta in those institutions. And I'll tell you, every name, any member, either you are the chairman, kana member of board, okirete njarene ciakwa na inkumenya no wiku bokawa takana ore ona ntatu ya gaitumbika na kauria ngania owe tonto murunge o murungire akariate antorene bwana muchere kauria mukuru yore akariate antorene oi mwamba nkareka ngakanzo nkauga mwamba tuteo mwendako tuteo mwenda chibitali oyo muntu controversial. He will never contribute anything in that board in terms of contribute progress kana kuria that institution gakanso. So to ekinya settle on this person, on this mother, on this lady, on this young person, on this gentleman okari in there. It was a lot of work, a lot of vetting, a lot of background check, a lot of searching. Nekenda tugukinyira nontu kagita ka miaka ithatu eunga yaga kwa in that hospital. Wowe no contribute unto wota utoro kanoga contribute unto utora. Yani it's a matter of life and tete to che muchezo tutiyire ku ku inaugurate just another board ya kwa muora Mario ya kaandwa teguwa mbondi ya Mario ya kaandwa ka ya simple board kane kwa muora barabara ya kabwithwa no ikwa muora otoro bokethia atia bokamenyerwa otoro is sacred. So whatever we are dealing with here ne matters human and God. Ituko watanera inteto chigotonga muntu na Murungu. And so even as we dispense our mandate as a board member, even as we contribute to these boards, even as we influence the decisions that we'll be making in these bonds, to many, whatever you do, either for the best interest ya mwekurura winturene utekomenya utoro bwawe burithira bukaria ati aruyu ya mukuru winturene ana bawe ba mutiere. The only hope eneo ni thirikari imutethia utoro bwawe bwendelea. Ne that desperate expectant mother edrite kana for the 50th year na nde mwaka wa 50 niko either kambere na kamwisho kana kau. So no wathurane muciari una kana kawe kambere na kai na kamwisho na story kaingirwa au. It's your decisions boy tete ko make. Ituko wata tending ko doctrine woni kambijire ku kuona antobara twete ngwe ya kumenyera utonga bwa Meru na ndibwira congratulations, ndibwira integrity is our key thing in this government. So whatever we do netubwithie mbere tugikira Murungu na tubwithie tukimenyaira utoro buraburi sacred na urabo is so valuable to us and also to the giver of life. Ndo Dr. Dennis na wire mutuma karia siasa uthi siasa nkwaria tuthe kwaria siasa na tika mu siasa no mbarie siasa ng'ombe igatura gwita kuria rukiri na igacoka ogoro twaritie siasa lakini nio yukega tutethia the focus kega ta the purpose of this day itokwatanira woni ndenda kikomunta sindano uno ntuibwetete ku influence ora sindano ikamuntanwa inyagwende bo munteu. Even as you go to influence on how injections are going to be administered on those patients, with the nyabwibo komenya the amount of load, the amount of work, the amount of responsibility that is on your shoulder. Otegete ogethwana cha woni mbeyete nego trimana ngakaranthi bakauga buraba kwenda daktari no kwamua arite daktari ukwamua iwowe uri part ya kwamua daktari kare full time in the decisions kethira acheba kethira bena ndawa nonto bwire much is expected from the governor ni nonto rira mwana inchi agoma na aranja au angavana ataturetera ndawa ende weta chairman wa level 4 kana level 3 rirambe chaike ya sibitari wambiriria waka ruthingo rwa sibitari kana waka whatever mwaka waka anto bagomete na aranja no nto bandawa. Your priorities are upside down. Ito ko atanira ko yanto igwa bagego mabakiwa sibitari eto etera ruthingo ora igwa muntu ko makiwa akiyetu sibitari eto ke agwa ruthingo ingavana bagoma bakiwa kutena ndawa. So gintu kya mbere kirankwenda tutegera kabisa FIF yeya no kerwanga maendeleo indawa mbere. Bishop Sami maendeleo mbere imbi na nonton kubwira marieto yonde ya yareane andontegerete inkumenya who these people are in the community. Otherwise nindari na opportunity ya gutara ringi nkemi muno ba siasa kana ringi mpesa indi bara governor ya bakathunguza batonga kabo tu bamenya gavana akinya no ntu imusiaza na kwenda gavana ona nendi akathunguza agatunga ka ntoka uwe goro akakinyanthe na akarol sana endi babu inkome abote bwithio inkwe na tebyo babu inkubwendera okethira ndendete antu yo ibon kethira ndi na boa agwithira kuringi nkemi muno na kuambu na kuchangilia tebyo babu burejirite nondu inkumenya bishop utebumba kuringa nkemi wowe na nyoga oneka no kuringa nkemi anto bakari ara bishop gathogere mutwe tema. So being the kind of the quality of a leader that you are, biu biongwa biu mwalimu dhuranira biu ndenda ubwithi arakangeta ari mwalimu wako chemistry na rungama wave kiri these wonderful leaders. Ari mwalimu wako chemistry na biology na ate aragia muno meaning ntirenda muntu okwaria ndenda muntu okuthithia teu ogethi musiasa ndenda ntigireta mwalimu thuranira no ntu inkomyote siasa garinga teu bwana Kinoti I wish nara kanyakine mzee ogeto mibwithio randethere mikumbune kari ndethere mikumbune ndathwani yo store ya wika ndawa cia imenti south mikumbune na ika level 3 yekio manner of drugs store kire to cabinet ratu ethaira turi kiri nurses kana kiri observation area na store ndawa cieki mbere store ingi then kiri pharmacy ra ye open then kuingi cieki kiri to cabinet na ndi wewe ta wa kame yako alto bai kuya batena painkiller na no cio metia na meako orethera we in the wrong place kwa riama tangu ithera ogeaka na ntekuwa meako agethia dia ntekuwa meako ega kwa meako itwake lakini tugeaka kwithe itwake te health ya ntumbe mbere kana ni hata mwalimu dhoi inaore mekumbone kambethere mekumbone ndawa ipunguite ira ciathirwo ni Dr. mzee huyu mzee Kenoti na ngaite punguite. Are you sure mwalimu? na sibitari cia level 4 tutekuretera ndawa bwina capacity ya uchurira ndawa ira cionthe bukwenda ukethira ukona milioni 5 witia ri imbi ndawa ni ri kuwitia wewe mbira ginya we uritia ndawa ciai. Dr. Kimaru agura ndawa, Dr. Kimaru wa Mutuati agura ndawa gakundia ginya tutungi tutina cio tuthera level 3 turi gutungi lare mea yani tutu twa level 1 tutina cio. Dr. Kimaru no gwethia atia no engavana na u akundia baundawa itukuwatanira. I believe where there is no vision people perish. Na babu buri anon to bring a vision and vision on a very critical area ya health. Nara tubake ya kuaga vision twinde tukathira uteo watiwa miru tuya number 2 no tubakwithira ngai na twete kiroto na te mutumo kwa number 2 iwuwe ni wuwe ta chairman ta board member of that institution ni mamora wega koromo ne akiendagia irio na matuma na itunguru ni mukurura we gaitia thero gaitia kiendagia mira ni mamora we mitungu akiendagia marigo ni mamora we kwa mathagiro nara imau akiendagia twinto kidogo au sukuma no wete namba 2 ndene Kenya kana bwetho ni mutuma te mutuma without you is nothing. Iwowe o contributed to the ranking that was awarded to us as a county to raise the best county records of better development to the last coin. Number 1 in Nandi, the second term governor kakuthiria tamu ewe Nandi governor sana mutuma imwaka ywa mbere menyanto baribula nteto imutuma kugwithe bakathwania mutuma inyawe ni miaka ena na ndikethete kuthiria miaka 5 imwaka ywa mbere mutuma ena ywa ari governor na ndi mutuma wakaewa miaka ingi ta muyuri na mutumarirwa wowe kinya wingitine otiringiri kura wega tutethetie yuge ni manjeri muntu utethetu agiri dangu ye odiwe tu arome bagiwa wega tutethetie. In fact bare mbera wai nkuru tu itethetie mutene na nkuru ite mauru ya withia mutene yongwa na nkuru bari wana nkuru gaitethwa mutene no gege yeri to mutene nene omitethia ikwego ikwendi nande it's upon you either bombegire mauro ya witie mutene ningwa ibagwe maguru ubuka maguru yakwa na uma torene kwa liama babwe menya babwe bote aringi kura umbwire okethra ni muringi okura o siasa ndenda ntegeta mwalimu dhranera although I know he can do it but in a boardroom ende no siasa tia we meote kanya konaga ku influence siasa in a boardroom ageta anto wabeka boardroom we mwira we nango atore aboya woni no mbete anto ngabeka boardroom ka influence politics kan kumenya babwe bote aringi kura Eda no thigera philosophy kwa nkumenya bonkuwa babo bote aringi te siasa nkumenya bonkuwa murumenya ndero ante twana ante twinya na akili yege inte twana kiongo gyakwa ndiriwa babo bote aringiye kura babwe kapo yatoiye kura uno na muringi kura ora twetatu akwira wata manere we tondingirei tondingire kura wowe urwethera kone nkeri mbi kana mbi no thiatwo ne antu manere nyumeku wabere yo twethiate yo tukaringe kura uranwa iwenka wa mwira manere ageto kuringira kura so babu uteta waringi kura babu ne acho ikura tonto no gwebo kwandikite anto goba kuringa ibwe nando wa kuringa kura ibwe ubere ina baketa nonto kuringa na babu ma bishops sami no viatimbua bwanto mangiri na mangiri bo mwita ndandiwa kiro ombo bera twite left bageta na bera bware wita left ogaruka ugetani right okwa igare asumbe ya mwegoro wao anende nyawe wenda kwa igare asumbe togo geta njire bishop akuwa nande babu bote ake muchezo nanda boira ntatarire omwe wenu bwakurukire gire list ya mutuma to agarana ban Dr. Dennis ba mwankatha genda sio tuko tukioragia dispensary ya thwana ya mweronkanga thwana no tuwikira chairman ikiro uyu ari tukaringa thimu ikiro uyu ari tukaringa thimu ikiro uyu ewa kubwa yani anto ba antora iba wete we wikirwa kitena ke uri iba wete meaning it is not about us, it is about the people that you are going to serve. Na nende kan kudhiria nenda kuga I wish you well kubo takia blessings cia mwathani even as you back on the assignments that will be given ne antoba mero bumenye ne assignment yamari no kwithira whatever you get in terms of monetary it's nothing and surely it's nothing na nuno nto tutireka ira antoba ke ya be na intention cia kuona turabwe kaira bwe na intention cia kureta babwe te cia birabo kuona kuo ibirabo retete kuo anto ba Southimenti ni ukwenda to own to facilities twetu ungimbonete anto ba Southimenti bake oni into biao. It's a case study. Through observation kile mai pita ya maendeleo in Southimenti mbeyete kuona anto ba ube unique bae tofauti na ndherenge chonde mbekinkiro kirite na ndewa Southimenti tegwa imenti yonde ndera wa central ndera wa north south. Do you know what is unique with those people? Kedra ikan dispensary anto bae wa bakaria ba oni kan dispensary kau thirikari yare ya kugura ndawa ya thirikari ire therasi ite functional bakaringira na bao barabe Nairobi ba bera ba bwe kan dispensary geto karage mukaka ko bo geta wada nji okay geta on government of Kenya ko dispensary bakaringira na bao barabe na uwezo be Nairobi ba bera kan dispensary geto katena ndawa to meimbecha tugure paracetamol tugure basic antibiotics tugure siant alanje tugure kwa tuika otere okoro ibwa antoba antore ubakiwa cibitari tena ndawa kedra machine ya kudhima bakwenda microscope yeda wada kedra microscope bakwenda okaibwa antoba ire baranga ya athari mere batu ire ngugene nara kwa UN bakowata na baire bakureta ndari kiri fundraiser tuku imwe nture kigarine ndaibwa nto bakira na ban Dr. Manja bakiwa bahatwe nonto barabara era to wetera ninda ya muno kenda to connect na the other road on the other side torianto barabe na ability in this village kato contribute to gore kidaka ke ukata across eto on the other side. You can imagine ando bakiora kidaka babwithia barabara mwi baba ingibe do tuwa sibitari ya thirikari na ndi sibitari ya thirikari nere go raibwa thirikari ya yetu irwai thirikari no iri waibwa thirikari ya ndimiti sibitari no ntone ayetu ni typhoid na ndeto atia intobia thirikari na utheri lakini baatu itotokua no ntu iturere kwa responsible ugaigwa muntu okua thirikari ka bwithia muntu ugaruka omuchonie roi ruruega no ntu that man or woman is very responsible ka kuria kuwanjibika no ntu ugaigwa thirikari no uwa no we o can define thirikari wa thirikari no na ndi in the case of bauba kigari ne bauwa bagure kithaka kenda babwithia barabara ya oturia on the other side baute bo thirikari in that aspect na nonto bauo ukuringana au quote Dr. Manja kinyagethera atia tikumethera aria au akaria in Dr. Manja imukuru thai ende akauarira ntikumetheri wa wanke yako mwekera nteto wa minister ntenda kuwa nteto ite confirmed ende no mwa wa that bond para tware abo in that fundraiser akauarira agambagia kamwari mwekurura agurire eta safari ndaya nontu njira uri thiurunka ukiya gukinya kwa bamwari uro witite kuona nyina netire thoko nerera wambiririe wita na nachokere yani netire market ya bwithia shopping Uwe no wetete na ko wetete kuona muchore oku. Uwe kinya kuona muchore oku bwatrimana naye. Bwatrimana na mamau. Na nde kuringana na that club ya kuruba unonto ne akurutha they are retired. Kaba wa tukeya kwa na beto punishment ira twetheria atia. Ira twakurukirire. New generation ibatire kuthwanagio kethira batu tutetere na iratu tukaba hange punishment ya kurea wita batenai na iratu kethira sibitari wite na ndawa mukebe ywa ndawa yo paracetamol yomba ku heal kana ku relieve pain ya tooth ya mwekororote na chiringi we mukebe yo tuma za India ngirigiri kana yuma za India ngirigiri ya paracetamol ende chairman we nambe chambua kithumba accountine no wewe katutire thirikari kethi atia ikaura na imukebe yo mwe wangirigiri yo kwendekana genda yo ithira yo riau mwekororote na mbere kana nyuma ethire goriu akwite na ryo rigekirwa paracetamol relieve mwekuru blood pressure tigaitie kana wato ni blood sugar uwo ka contribute mwekuru ti ugure na blood sugar ekamuwata non to pain na ukure na capacity ya change that situation. Anyway, nkwaria muno na mwaria nteto nyingi Kimiru kiuga atethagia atia atetora atuthiri yau ndibwire nkaburomba bwendelee ku support our development agenda. We are progressing so well and God's mighty hand is upon us. Na favor ira tukuona from all over kile development partners, kile national government, kile our sons and daughters who are living and working away from us is immense. Manto yara tuabwithia within 1 year imanto yata karikari in the history of Meru. Sibitari ya level 5 nibwererwe katumite the level 6 gakoromone market 1 billion. Meru ito umebwethia city ibwibe kelele ya state launch, kelele ya airstrip na kuendelea amwana kelele tiko meadha babu you buy into that or you don't, but from where I sit ni opportunity ya Meru gukora tukambaye ideas ya ntubarabange bakuwa state launch tena maana ito akirwa sibitari beta sia interior itemenya waka itemenya ko transfer wasieta kiri ministry ya health antubankobo within 6 months utongerie ne bwa ko bwa governor indare ndeyo bubwithia municipality in 2 or 1 month time itwete kunenkana ya municipality Mikindori in 1 month or so time nitwete kunenkana ya municipality ndene ya Lare in 1 year Nyambene hospital etambre yekumamya muntu wetu Antomurume in Nyambene region thaibe na ward ya bed capacity 60 chairman 60 na ndo wengi barambikiri tegere mbondi cia cibitari cia tu ne antu bena background yokera murungu akwende amos 3 riwa two cannot work together unless they agree. So whether we ro orekera antu ba type eku kire mbondi cia ku kana nande woni barambichi teba mwire ayo eto either we bishop kana we mukuru wa kanisa kana iwo ya asha ibonge kaira nande wa bishop ndegu wa wete kwa Kristo ake menyande ngabana wa every other faith tu kinya wa Islamu na wa Hindu ende muntu we na connection nao na murungu getho tena connection na murungu wowe kanta to cia mutuma ndegu abarabate wetekio beta wate harvest kinya this when a space in this government ende kinyabo kaba tukaya batete ketie bakona nteto ikwenda murungu iri omenyanto bo ibendete murungu gochinda bakona nteto ikwenda otete bo murungu wake no webeta ote ungi na ugonge iguria to nteto twako twira kenda bona bya kurira. So ntekwenda kwaria muno leaders, they end up wish all the best, God's blessings and favor in your tenure ya miaka ithatu na ngai embere tutrimane ya tukirinew utongeria bo to perform it excellently in the year 2029 ndio miaka enu ithatu iguthira na nde mutuma gethere muchi barabange bakeya bariwa ari timwe mutuma thambia yethi atia thambia in fact rode torogoro mutuma thambia rogoro mutuma fagilia rogoro mutuma twethi atia tuthirie nikenda twikira antobe tubaberu. So ni boya mandaktari betu support this team na abwe team support our managers in those institutions occupy space yonge too. I know that will be done by the trainer. I'm not skilled to do that, but as a leader ngakwira when the institution era ni boya occupy space ya manager wa that institution, that is the main soup. Occupy space nawe main soup occupy space ya chairman on deciding tetoro kwenda. Let us have teamwork nikenda tomba ku perform in these or in those institutions that God has given an opportunity to serve our people. Waheshimiwa barabejire nkaragia aiko mheshimiwa muri woge atega wije Kiswahili boya nte kwa aganya wari yote mwengo araje nyuma ngavana Ariana Kiswahili.
Asante sana mstahiki gavana wa Gatuzi letu la Meru, vile vile naibu gavana wetu na mawaziri na washikadau mazanate mbalimbali na mahospitali na sekta ya afya. Hamjambo? Bwana asifiwe. Natoa hii fursa mura sana mstahiki gavana niseme leo kwamba ni siku ya ndovu kumula manawe, pale ambapo naona nyuso ambazo zina furaha mpwito kama si furaha riboribo wakija kutunukiwa nyadhifa za uongozi katika zanati mbalimbali. Vile mimi ningependa kusema ni kwamba rasilimali hazitoshi mno, bali huwa tunajaribu kutumia zile ambazo tunazo katika mikono yetu. Mheshimiwa Gavana, mkiagwaliana shuli mno ndo ikuringa pointi yangu andakuwa no nto baba inge mno ne bate kado mando beto. Your Excellency, bombe ndakuwa oni, I'm so happy not to kuona health is wealth as you told us. Na ntobana atongeribu ya mnonkuruki bombe ndobwera. It's only one being. We have supreme being and human beings. It's only one supreme being who can be everywhere at every time. But a human being can't be everywhere every time. Batu extension. Engaba na mutuma ntwethinke mashinani. Teo manto beto. Nonto lembiro atura kuria mandera batikuwa ya mathuku ya mutwera. So babo nondo bweta munene mutwera. Baba mweta lembiro bakaya bakanya kisipitali cietu. Kati manto beto. Na muntu no munene mbenda guranto nondo baba agura yauni. De muthio gyo thega nchonga. Bwana njike ginoti. Kyo thegi ya kuthwa kiganyua. Na kigare wanki kiatu wa mubwe wendo gyo thawe. Wendo gyo tha. So munene atwa thanu gyo thegi nyui. Mwaka mbere. Kiare wanki mwaka yoeli kiatu wa mubwe mwaka yethatu. No kyo na nebo kwa na mero dai kwa development kati oma. Antu ba ngo na bisho michopo na bobange bonde ba ita munene. Isaac mutuma kalwelo ndambro dispensary. Raya ogora muno nontu. Hospitali ndambro ya ingi for 8 years. Lakini gavana yako ya merura nontu watu tada nenyo nto dara dena rijimura are kumuno. Watu Excellency mbira antu tuendete gavana kawira. impeachment ni mwenda nkuruki mwathani kamwekea ya areka barabara ya kwathika kati mantu betu so bunge ndagwa ni as leaders sibitare ndabero na sibitare winge chionde it extend hadi watu kandawa mbini ni nokwana mnene ateko mama at least we preach good gospel na and I can assure you tueno ntubo governor yontuyo miaka myandera antu ngabera 12 inambe blessings no tunena bitoba Jesus na bishop mwenda dharwe na ubangi 12 niyo county ya Meru code K47 wards na 12 niyo mutuma kwenda na 12 no yo reverence ibo kwa roike rundubwe manyanda na muchiyo to numbaranga roike rundu ngara ubangi aba kwa mantu yabo so ibo kwenda go excellence. I don't want to consume a lot of time lakini yangu ndo bwira atire baba ambera unde mwana munyambera muye kumakiyona wona nthenge we kubora muno githani onjene kana ka ayo bundo kumakiyona ndatiri manthenge ina kana ne white ndatiri magana garaka ciari na kwa black na chonda ngeshi giyona ni yana ni thatu kwene white na nkeri na black ende white ye bora genda kuna ngeti ene nkeri ya metethia genda kuna ndirisha lakini enjiro yare konene ara nkiolele ndona kana kalaka ciarire ikambulaki uwa oro ndengere njene kana wanereku ibo ngwata ande kwa ndanga ngiko bora muno ngone njiro
ega to dego ita kwa nda to tiene
asante sana asante mkubwa thank you
muri ado dego ajende to tia kana kamburi kana kamuntu dogo de kwa yende to chieto ana to ando morite to ambori to ambori to garia to na timu ya agriculture okay so kato dirie to tiere au tu aiko chairman wa Miathene our representative thank you mzee kankwenda weta wire mzee boya bere mzee tawate chairman nguo uraibwa muntu guyukia institution yekae we kwa twikare ndingira thimu nyathage ndacio tu nkangwera mzee ninge no kumenya ithaia na mbira ari baba wo isibitare uge onchumbura muno neo passion kwenda to yukia neo institutions ira to leaders passion yu ya mzee Kinoti passion yu ya mzee Nguo Miathene iyo kwenda to yukia neo institute okayukia nguge na njara ciena tuga malelu njara ilege yi kutkaraya you know okaudwa kiuria nteto ne yuto kwaria Bishop Biti tu so era mzee Ngwibo yano ntubangu gira guita bwana mwenda tuchumirie ni Miathenori Oringo asante tuchumaniria na take this work like it's my business kabisa na nteto ichi ya kuuga sibitari chia mwingi ithethe acie sibitari chia mwingi irithe sibitari ekwa teu I know twena challenges kwena institutions kwenda ambulances na itekwo ndena program ya ku support hospitals na ambulances endete directly kirini kwena muchore okwa kuma UK ombiri te twenda ambulances no ture milioni 2 ambulance keya chairman Onyambene tukaninkanira ambulance yena all the needed equipment inside eka tikambrio save uturo bwetu tekwenda gukia kaita kaingi ndenda kubwira yukinke cia mheshimiwa wa this ward mheshimiwa wetwa Dan Mukoronia ambira is away akienda muno kwithira aria nikenda bukaribisha kiri ward yewe but is away on an official duty naombera karibuni sana. And now allow me to declare this training or reduction exercise officially opened. Nikenda boy equipped na knowledge, boy empowered, umenya wewe wo kire that institution and what you are supposed to do. Nikenda withira ore an effective leader, bweta bonkethanirie in different places michi yenu na kinyakiri board members barabategerea. Otherwise nawapenda sana. I'll be here to support you in whichever way. Bukuona governor akatethia nikenda civitari yetu Karaboya, I'll be more than willing to support nikenda bwithira very effective board in our institutions. Eboya mwathani abutharime sana na bwithira bwina good training. Asanteni sana.
Hebu tuweke gavana yake hapo mkono, tuweke. Wapi makofi ya gavana? Hebu tusalimie gavana. You are now empowered. Say, Gavana Mutuma. Turiugari. Hebu mweke kidole tuone. Tuone tu kidogo. Hebu nione vile Meru inapanda. Tuinue Meru. Sasa tunaelekea number 1. Tuko number 2. Say, Gavana Mutuma. Turiugari sawa. Tebo. Mutuma njetinga. Turiugari sawa. Kirenda kanare. Turiugari sawa. Sibitare nesiato. Turiugari. Na tubariki gavana wetu na DG we na waziri. Meru tukene. Asante sana. Tuweze kuketi tafadhali. Chief of Staff.
Ladies and gentlemen, iuka kuboromba kwa heshima to release gavana wetu na mtupa kiatho kira kingi kiri mbere.